Kung lalaki ka, paano mo daw malalaman kung type ka ng girl? Kung babae ka naman, paano mo malalaman kung type ka ng guy? Maraming dahilan, pero ito yung pinakamalakas na indicator. Pag responsive yung babae o responsive yung lalaki. Nagre-respond, nagre-reply. Pag PDM mo, hindi lang basta seen, nagre-reply agad siya. Pag in-invite mong kumain sa labas, yes, agad ang sagot niya. Tandaan, hindi na pauso ngayon yung pakipot ha. Pag magkasama kayo, nagdilin sa'yo, hinawakan mo yung kamay, hindi pumapalag. Pag kinis mo, nagre-respond. Yung direct indicator dyan is yung pagiging responsive ng tao. Being responsive shows how interested the guy or the girl is. If he or she is not responding, posibleng maraming dahilan. But it only boils down to one thing. Hindi kanya type. He or she is not attracted to you. Don't waste your time, huwag mo nang pahirapan ang sarili mo. Maghanap ka na lang ng iba.